Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm come to use air fry to grill my chicken, and it's very easy. Just 45 minutes is ready for you to use, and you see it's good, and the oil is also out. It's good, it take more oil from it, so it's very good and healthy to use the air fryer. Yeah, you see it's very good and no oil inside. It's not too much oil, and I use this one to prepare my pepper soup, and you can use for okra soup, okra stew, groundnut soup. Yeah, anything you want to use your chicken to make it, you can use this to make it. So let's start. I'm going to cut it. Yeah, I'm not going to cut it into two, but I want to open the middle like this. Yeah, so be careful with this side. Yeah, then you don't cut your hand. Now I don't use oven to grill my fish or chicken, because oven take 2 hours and air fry take 45 minutes. You get what you want. Yeah, so now I prefer to use the air fryer than the oven. Yeah, so this, I add salt to it. Sometimes I want to use some to eat, maybe banku or hot pepper. Yeah, that's why I add the salt. I can use it without using for maybe soup or stew. Yeah, and then I place it on my air fryer like this. Yeah, I don't know the type you are using, but this is the type I'm using. It's very good. It's very good. Yeah, you see, and the chicken, you see how I cut it. Yeah, so I put it inside like this, and then I set it to 200 degrees 15 minutes, and I will set it 15 minutes. So I use 45 minutes to make it. So every 5 minutes you should come and turn it, check it. That is what this air fryer right there. Every 5 minutes you should open and check it. Yeah, that I'm using Princess. That is the name of the air fryer I'm using, Princess, and it's very good to use it. It's easy, I like it. Now my oven is resting for baking pastries or cake, those things. And fish, chicken, I use the air fryer. If I want to make potato, I use the air fryer to make it. You see it's ready to use. It's very easy, simple. And check my soup. Check the recipe on my comment section. That's the soup. Don't forget to like it, comment, share, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube and Facebook page. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.